Dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss some question and answers related to conditional and iterative statements. So this topic we already studied in our 11th standard, so we can revise it through some questions. So first question, find the output of the following program. For I in range 1 to 6, print I. So to answer this question, you must know what is range function. Range function is mainly used to generate a sequence of value. So here two parameters are given, 1 and 6. 1 is the starting value and 6 is the stop value or ending value. So what are the values generated by range function? So it starts with 1. So the values generated by the range function are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will not return the stop value. It will return the value 1 less than the ending value. That is why it returns the value 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. So I gets the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first iteration the value of I is 1. So it displays the value 1 here. Normally print statement display the value in a new line. So here a delimiter is given n equal to a space. That means after printing the value of I, it put one space and moves to the next one, so that we will get the result in a single line. So in the second iteration I takes the value 2, so it displays here, again put one space character. Similarly, this way the loop will iterate till 5. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 2. Find the output. For I in range 1, 10, 3, print I. So here range has 3 parameters, 1, 10 and 3. So what is this 3 represent? It is the step value. Normally the value is incremented by 1. If you are giving the step value, it increment based on the step value. So here starting is 1. So it starts at 1. And what will be the second value? Second value is incremented by 3. So 1 plus 3 it is 4. Okay, so it generates 1, 4 and 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Then next again 7 plus 3, the value is 10. But here the stop value is 10, so it will not display the value 10 because it will display value 1 less than our stopping value. And then just printing. So I takes the value 147. So in the first iteration I get the value 1, so it displays 1. I already told normally print statement is print in new line. Okay, so next iteration it takes the value, I take the value 4, so it display next line. So we will get the answer 147. Question number 3, find the output. Here one while loop is given. You know while is an entry control loop. That means before entering into the body of the loop, it tests the condition. So if the condition is true, then only it execute the body of the loop. So here initial value is given n equal to 1. First it check whether our initial value means what is the value of n here? 1 less than 4. So the condition is true. What will happen? It print the value. Good. I already explained the use of n equal to a space. Then what happens? N is incremented. So now the value of n become 2. Again goes to the condition 2 less than 4. Again the condition is true. So it displays good. Again the value of n is incrementing, n is 3. So here checking 3 less than 4, condition is true. So it again displaying the value good. Then again the value of n is incrementing to 4, checking the condition 4 less than 4. So the condition is false, so it will not enter to the body of the loop. So our output is good, good, good. Okay. Going to the next question, question number 4. Here on for loop is given and if statement is given. Okay. And one more thing, gem statements are also given. Gem statement, you know, continue and break statement. So first of all, you must know what are the values generated by the range function 1, 11. You already know it will generate the value 1 to 10. So I takes the value 1 to 10. So the loop will repeat 10 times. So you are clear about this. So in the first time I get the value, first iteration I get the value 1. So what happens? When the value of I equal to 1, checking the condition 1 equal to 3, the condition is false. It goes to the next if statement, 1 equal to it, again the condition is false. It goes to the next if statement, 1 equal to 5, that is also false. So it executes the else part. So here in the else part, we are just displaying the value of I. In the first iteration, the value of I equal to 1, so it displays the value 1 here. In the second iteration, I take the value 2. So 2 equal to first condition is false, second condition false, third condition false. So it again goes to the or execute the else statement. So it display the value 2 here. Next statement. So next iteration, what is the value of I? The value of I equal to 3. So here first statement 3 equal to 3. So the condition is true. So it displays hello. Then continue. Continue means it will not goes to this part. It again repeat the iteration. So it displays hello and again goes to the for loop. Then next time the value of I equal to 4. So again checking first condition false, second condition false, third condition false. So it execute our else statement. So 4 is displayed. In the next case, value of I equal to 5. First condition false, second condition false. In third condition 5 equal to 5. The condition is true. So what is given in the body of the loop? Pass. You know pass is an empty statement. So nothing will happen. It again goes to the for loop. I value is incrementing. Now the value of I is 6. So it generates. So it just check 6 equal to 3, first condition false, second condition false and third condition false. Again goes to the else part. It displays 6. Then in the next iteration the value is 7. Same thing happens if 3 if statements are false. So it executes the else statement. So again printing 7. Then in the next iteration I value equal to 8. So first condition false but second condition is true if 8 equal to 8. What is given? Break statement. Break statement means it exits from the for loop. So it will not execute the loop again. That is why it does not iterate for the value of I equal to 9 and I equal to 10. So our output is 1, 2, hello, 4, 6, 7. Next question. Rewrite the code after correcting the errors. If n greater than or equal to 0, print odd, else print even. Listen the program carefully because here in Python it is a case sensitive language. So you please check the letters given whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. If n greater than or equal to 0. Here normally we are here given equal to greater than. Normally our operator is greater than equal to. So one error is here. And after if statement we are putting colon. Okay. Then here print odd. Here if you are printing odd we have to put double quotes. Next again in else, after else we put colon. And here the print statement P is capital, so it is changed to small letter. So these are the errors in this program. Next question. What problem occurs with the following code? Here again x equal to 40 while x less than 50, print x. Here one condition is given. So first time x take the value 40, checking the condition 40 less than 50, condition is true, it displays 40. Again the value of x equal to 40, that is less than 50, again 40 is printing. So here no increment value is given. So what will happen? Every time the value of x equal to 40. So it will become an infinite loop. So that given code does not have an incrementing value of x. Thus the loop become endless. So it will become an infinite loop. Again, one question related to removing the syntax error. Here in this question, for equal to 20, for 1 equal to 50, for 3 equal to 4 plus 4 1 plus 4 2, print 4 3. So clearly you know 4 equal to 24 is a keyword, so we cannot use it as identifier. Okay, so can change this 4 to another one valid identifier. So here in the answer I given f equal to 20. You can use any valid identifier. For 1 equal to 50, for 1 is a valid identifier, so no problem. But after variable assignment we will not use colon, so remove this one. Then for 3 equal to 4 plus 4 1 plus 4 2. Here we already changed this for whatever variable name you given, you just put same variable here. 4 1, okay, and 4 2. Here it is not defined, so just remove this 4 2. Then last line is okay. What is this? What does this hash represent? It represents this and comment. Okay. So in this lecture we discussed 7 questions. So all these questions are useful for you in your board exam. So we can continue in next slide with other set of questions.